What's up, guys? 1 minute update, so your wife wants you to. All I want to tell you guys to do is detach your lint trap, get the lint rolled out. This is just a little reminder if you haven't done it in a while. Then you can take this thing, just start hitting it.
Yeah, so you sure you want this to stain on the blanket and the floor?
And that's all the stuff that comes out. Hold on a second, I'm getting interrupted. It's Luca from Twins Flight TV. Anyway, guys, that's the 1 minute reminder. Just clean your dryer lint trap and your dryer tube. You get a lot of crap that came out. Popcorn kernels was the one thing that I found most of, which is kind of weird. Alright, get back to work.